Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you an anti-aging and a skin whitening face mask which will help to rejuvenate your skin from deep inside. This face mask is best for skin lightening, skin whitening and will make your skin much fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless. This anti-aging face mask is very good to remove all your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation as well as fine lines and wrinkles from your skin and will deeply moisturize and hydrate your skin. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly gonna need rice. Rice is an excellent ingredient for skin lightening and anti-aging. So to prepare this face mask, we only gonna need 2 to 3 tablespoons white rice, and now we have to wash it properly. And now after washing this rice, we have to overcook it, and to overcook the rice, we firstly have to take a pan and add approx 2 to 3 cups of water in it, and then add the washed rice in it and cook it on medium flame until it becomes thick and mashy like I'm showing you in the video. And once your rice is nicely cooked, or it should be a little overcooked, it will look like this. It should be thick and mashy like I'm showing you here. So now let's prepare the highly beneficial anti-aging and skin whitening face mask. And to prepare it, we firstly have to take approx 2 tablespoons of overcooked rice in a clean bowl. After that, we'll add 1 teaspoon of rice flour in it. And now just give a good mix to both these ingredients. And after mixing both these ingredients, now we'll add 1 teaspoon of honey in it. After adding the honey, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel in it. And now just mix all these ingredients so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a good and a thick paste. And now just to smoothen out the consistency of this paste so that it's easier to apply, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of raw milk in it. And if you don't want to add milk in it, then you can also add rose water in this face mask. And after adding the raw milk or the rose water, just mix it really nicely. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade skin lightening, whitening and anti-aging face mask is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this face mask should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be smooth and lump free like I'm showing you in the video. This face mask have all the natural hydrating and moisturizing ingredients in it, which makes it really good for your skin. This face mask will help to even out your skin complexion and to remove all the suntan, sunburn, dark spots, acne scars, acne, pimples, pigmentation as well as hyperpigmentation problem from your skin. So now let me tell you how to use this face mask for best results. And the procedure to use this face mask is very simple and easy. You just need to apply it all over your face and neck, and you can use a brush or you can even apply it with your fingertips. Just apply it nicely and evenly all over your skin, and you can also apply this face mask all over your body for best results. And after applying this face mask all over your skin, just leave it to dry completely for about 20 or 25 minutes, and after that just rinse it off with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin really well. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.